Welcome. Today we're comparing Notion versus Monday.com. Welcome to our detailed comparison between Notion and Monday.com, two of the most popular project management tools available today. We'll be comparing them based on features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, security, support, scalability, and their ideal users. This comparison will help you decide which tool might be best suited for your needs. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth comparisons like this one. Let's start with the features. Notion is known for its flexibility, offering features like notes, databases, Kanban boards, and more. Monday.com, on the other hand, is more structured and offers features like project tracking, team collaboration, and automation. Both platforms have their strengths, but your choice will depend on whether you prefer flexibility or structure in your project management tool. Next up is pricing. Notion offers a free plan as well as paid plans starting at $4 per month. Monday.com doesn't have a free plan, but its paid plans start at $8 per user per month. If budget is a concern, Notion's free plan offers a lot more functionality compared to Monday.com's free trial. User experience is another important factor to consider. Notion's interface is clean and intuitive, but its flexibility can make it complex for new users. Monday.com's interface is also clean and intuitive, but its structured approach makes it easier for new users to get started. If simplicity is your priority, Monday.com might be the better choice. Let's talk about integrations. Notion integrates with a limited number of apps including Google Drive and Figma. Monday.com, however, integrates with a wide range of apps, including Slack, Google Workspace, and more. If you rely heavily on integrations, Monday.com clearly has an edge. In terms of performance, both Notion and Monday.com are reliable and offer fast response times. However, some users have reported occasional slowdowns with Notion, especially when dealing with large databases. Monday.com, on the other hand, seems to handle large amounts of data more smoothly. Security is a crucial aspect of any project management tool. Both Notion and Monday.com take security seriously, offering features like data encryption, two-factor authentication, and compliance with GDPR. However, Monday.com goes a step further with ISO 27001 certification, giving it a slight edge in this category. Customer support is another area where these two platforms differ. Notion offers email support and has a comprehensive help center, but lacks live chat or phone support. Monday.com, in contrast, offers 24/7 phone and email support along with a comprehensive help center. So, if immediate assistance is important to you, Monday.com might be a better option. When it comes to scalability, both Notion and Monday.com can handle growing teams and projects. However, Monday.com's structured approach and extensive integrations make it more suitable for larger teams or projects. Notion, with its flexible approach, is better suited for smaller teams or individual users. So, who are the ideal users for Notion and Monday.com? Notion is great for individuals and small teams who need a flexible, all-in-one workspace. Monday.com, on the other hand, is ideal for larger teams who need a more structured and integrated project management tool. Based on our comparison, the winner is Monday.com. While both tools have their strengths, Monday.com edges out Notion with its structured approach, extensive integrations, better customer support, and superior scalability. However, remember that your specific needs and preferences should ultimately guide your choice. Thank you for watching our comparison between Notion and Monday.com. We hope you found it insightful. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this one. Your support helps us continue providing this content. Thank you.